जनाब हम अब दोबारा से मिल रहे हैं खाने के बाद। तो जो रेजोल्यूशन हमने पास किया है खाने से पहले, दरीजा साहब, चिश्ती साहब, सारे आप लोगों की रजामंदी से माशाल्लाह 14 सिटीज़ से यहाँ पर आज हमारे नॉर्थ से लोग आए हुए हैं और हम ये रेजोल्यूशन पास कर रहे हैं ताकि हम सब इकट्ठे चलें और जो इलेक्शन का प्रोसेस है उसको भी जल्दी तय करें। तो मैं पढ़ देता हूँ जो हमारी रेजोल्यूशन है। Resolution by PTI UK North. Meeting was held by PTI UK North on 4th of December 2011 in Bradford, hosted by PTI Bradford. Members from 14 different cities attended the meeting and the following resolution was passed. Number 1, we need to take initiative for Karachi Jalsa to raise funds. All cities confirmed to contribute at least £100 each, which will be sent to Pakistan before the Jalsa date. Set up a PTI election support group who will visit Pakistan in upcoming elections to provide support to our candidates. All volunteers should spend at least 4 weeks whenever elections in Pakistan take place. We need to put our differences aside and work together in the whole of UK. So this is not just a party for a resolution for North, this is for the whole of UK. Set up ethical code of conduct as follows. We must respect all fellow members and cooperate with each other. Respect decisions made by our senior members, CEC, and provide them support. Stop email chains where disrespectful comments are made against other PTI members. We expect Mr. Humayun Mohammed, Office of International Affairs in Pakistan, to give a clear decision on UK elections. And this should be endorsed by Mr. Arif Alvi and Mr. Hamid Khan. Considering the length of time elapsed in deciding and implementing procedures for UK PTI elections, final decision made by Office of International Affairs will be acceptable by all of us, and we shall not appeal against it. It has been over a year since election procedure for PTI UK has been in process, and our members, and that includes new members, are now questioning our capability to conduct elections in the UK. We have also had criticism from non-members and media for election process being delayed a few times. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf need our 100% commitment and effort in Pakistan to encounter the upcoming political hurdles. We need not waste a single moment of time of our CEC. In the view of the current political developments in Pakistan, we strongly feel that Mr. Hamid Khan must give a time frame for elections at his earliest and request election must be held within 6 to 8 weeks. So hopefully we should have a final decision and appointment of presidents or whatever positions there are within next 6 to 8 weeks. So I will also tell whoever was part of this resolution, Mr. Akram Darija Sahab from Nottingham, Amir Chishti Sahab from Manchester, Basit Shah Sahab from Oldham, myself, Asif Khan Sahab from Bradford, Adnan Tariq from Manchester, Farad Fahim Sahab from Leicester, Amrez Iqbal Sahab from Leeds, Amjad Bashir Sahab from Leeds, Mumtaz Hussain Sahab from Halifax, Rajat Sahab from Coventry, Shehram from Dewsbury, Bashir Sahab from Leeds, Mudassir Ali Sahab from Dewsbury, Chaudhry Shehzad Ahmed Sahab from Manchester, Naveed Shah Sahab from Bury, Shahid Ali Sahab from Sheffield, Aslam Bhatta Sahab from Sheffield, Khalil Chaudhry Sahab from Birmingham, Safdar Iqbal Sahab from Birmingham, Shafqat Hussain Sahab from Leeds, Khalid Javed Sahab from Rochdale, Shamsul Hussain Khawaja Sahab from Manchester, Abid Awan Sahab from Manchester, Javed Akhtar Sahab from Nottingham, Shahid Ilyas Sahab from Oldham, Abbas Beg Sahab from Middlesbrough, Muhammad Ahmed Sahab from Middlesbrough, and Ghulam Mustafa Sahab from Middlesbrough. Is that including everybody?
I think so.
ठीक है जी.
May I take an opportunity to say thank you very much for Shakil for providing us with such a lovely lunch.
Thank you.
You and your team, and it was very nice. And I'm sure we should all join me to give them a big hand for this.
Thank you.